revolving y-axis. I have 4 questions with me. 2 of these questions about x-axis, 2 of these questions about y-axis. See question number 1. Find the area of surface of the curve y equal the root of x plus 1. The interval from 1 to 5 about x-axis. So surface area about x-axis. We can add the thickness a little bit. Is the integration from a to b, and this will be x1, x2, 2 pi f of x or y in this case, under the root 1 plus f prime of x squared dx. I have already the values of x, so from 1 to 5, 2 pi. Now I will write my function under the root x plus 1. Then this amount. Last lecture, we take how to find this amount by using length. It's the same thing. So we will start with y prime, or it's f of x prime. The derivative 1 divided to the root of x plus 1. Y prime square, it's 1 over square. This would be 4 x plus 1. Then plus 1 here, plus 1 here. So this will give me, make denominators equal, or keep it like this, no problem. Both of them are fine. You can do this or that. 1 divided 4 x plus 1, then plus 1. So under the root here, I will write 1 plus f prime of x squared, which is this one. So I will write here 1 divided by 4 x plus 1, then plus 1. Since I have root here, so I can make this only one root. Multiplying x plus 1 here and here, don't forget that. So this will give me x plus 1 divided 4x plus 1 plus multiply x plus 1. So I multiply 1 time here, 1 time here. X plus 1 dx. So this will give me 2 pi outside, the integration 1 to 5 under the root. You know, this one will be cancelled. So 1 over 4 and x plus 1, 1 over 4 and 1 x plus 5 over 4. 1 over 4 plus 1 equal 5 over 4 dx. Now we can make our integration. This is x plus 5 over 4 to the power half. The integration of it will be x plus 5 over 4 to the power 3 over 2, 2 over 3. So 2 by 2 over 3 and x plus 5 over 4 to the power 3 over 2 from 1 to 5. And this will be 4 pi over 3 time. Now substitute 5 here. 5 plus 5 over 4, all of it, 3 over 2, minus, substitute 1 plus 5 over 4, all to the power 3 over 2. If you have a calculator, you easily can put this in calculator, or you can add here, this will be 4, so I can multiply 4, 20, 25 over 4. 3 over 2 minus, this will be 4 over 4, so 9 over 4. 3 over 2. They are completely perfect. So this will be 5, and this will be 2 to the power 3. This will be under the root. This will be 3. This will be 2 to the power 3. No need to do all these things. This is 4, sir. You can direct put it in the calculator and find the final answer, or you can simplify it in this way. Both of them are fine. Another question, this time x equal. So since x equal and y from 1 to 2, so that means y-axis. As you see, L equal, oh, sorry, it's not L now, SA, sorry. SA equal the integration from A to B, sorry, again, C to D this time, C D 2 pi x, I can say the root of 1 plus x prime squared dy. This x, by the way, it's f of y. And here we have y, so everything is fine, no problem. Let me write here, the integration will be from 1 to 2. 2 by the value of x, here we have the root of 4y minus 4 squared. Then we have the function that we should work on it on the left here. The y, sorry for that, this should be longer and this smaller. So this, yes, sorry, come on. Then the new function will be here, no problem. X prime equal, what's the derivative of this? Will be 2 the root of 4y minus y squared. The derivative of what inside, this is the chain rule. So 4 minus 2y, the derivative for y 4, the derivative of y squared minus 2y. Take 2 as a common outside, x prime, only the root will be down, 4y minus 4 minus y squared. Take the 2 outside and cancel the 2 with the 2, so this will be 2. 2 minus 2y. When we cancel the 2 with the 2, 2 minus y. Did a mistake here. 2 minus y. Okay, we say square both sides, so square both sides. X prime square equal 2 minus y squared divided by 4y minus y squared. The root will be vanished. Plus 1 here, plus 1 here. So under the root, here we have 2 minus y squared divided 4y minus y squared, then plus 1. Exactly like what's happened in the previous question, since I have root here, no need for this brackets now, I think. Root and root, so if I have root of x times root of y equal root of x times y. I'll multiply this one time here, since there's addition here. So 2 by outside, 1, 2, then 1 big root. When I multiply it here, I will get 2 minus y whole square until this one, I miss it. It's here, the square for all of it. Then plus, I multiply this here, so I cancel the denominator with the denominator. Now I should multiply it here, will be 4y minus y square. A little bit shorter, and dy. One more time, what's happened here? Maybe you didn't understand what's happened here. I will multiply this one here and multiply it here. So when I multiply it here, the same amount up and down will be cancelled. So the answer will be 2 minus y squared. Then I multiply it by 1. Anything multiplied by 1 will be the same things. Don't forget to write dy here. Now we will expand this 1, 2, under the root. This will be, as we say that many times in my previous lecture, but we will repeat it now, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. This is 2. So one more time, we will get 4 minus 2 first second, 4y, plus second square plus 4y minus y squared. Good news. All this will be vanished. Then this will be root of 4, which is 2. The integration from 1 to 2, 2 pi to x from 1 to 2 equal 2 pi times 4 minus 2. Substitute 2 here, 4, substitute 1. So 4 minus 2, 2 times 2, 4 pi is the final answer. The surface area will be 4 pi. Okay, one again for x-axis. Oh, it's y-axis or x-axis? x-axis. So with x-axis, this should be x. So yeah, we have problem, small problem. So with x-axis, we should have here x, and these bounded are for y. So we will convert it y 0. When y 0, 0 equal x to the power 3 divided 3, multiply 3 here, take the third root, x equals 0. When y equal 9, 9 equal x to the power 3, divide 3, multiply here, 27 equal x to the power 3. Take the third root, x equal 3. 3 times 3 times 3, 27. So my interval here need to adjust, need a little bit work. Now we have our integration on x and this function y, or I can write it f of x. So everything now, of x-axis, everything is fine. So my integration now, or SA equal, no need to write the formula already, we write it twice, this time 0 to 3 direct, 2 by my function, x to the power 3 divide 3 under the root 1 plus x3 over 3 prime square dx. I will find this amount, all of it different color. I will find this amount on side and I will come back and write it here. So on side with different color, we have y equal x to the power 3 over 3, y prime equal 3x squared. So 3 with 3 will be cancelled. Y prime square equal x to the power 4 plus 1 here plus 1 here. So this will be the integration from 0 to 3, 2 by x to the power 3 divided 3 under the root. We have x to the power 4 plus 1 dx. Substitution method, it's clear. 2 over 3 pi outside, the integration from 0 to 3, and x to the power 3, the x to the power 4 plus 1 dx, y equal x to the power 4 plus 1, or u, since y there, it's better to say u. du over dx equal 4x to the power 3 du over 4x to the power 3 equal dx. Make a small line here. 2 over 3 by the integration from 0 to 3. X to the power 3, the root of du. du over 4x to the power 3. This will be cancelled. Multiply this 4 here will be 12, 1 over 6, or pi over 6. Now the integration from 0 to 3, u to the power half du. And this will be pi over 6, u to the power 3 over 2, 2 over 3. From 0 to 3, this is wrong from 0 to 3, by the way. Or it's correct, it's not wrong, but wrong to substitute direct here. So this will be 3, this will be 1, so pi over 9. MashaAllah, this is start from 2 over 3, then now 6 over pi over 6, and now it's pi over 9. Keep changing. The value of u, where is the value of u here? X to the power 4 plus 1, all of it to the power 3 over 2 from 0 to 3. Now we can substitute the 0 and the 3. Why? Because the amount here is x, and from the beginning, the 0 and 3 are the values of x. Don't make any silly mistake here. Pi over 9. Hopefully, I didn't do any silly mistake here. Pi over 9, and this is 3 over 2, so we write it. Everything is fine as I see. Now we have 3 times 3, 9, times 9, 81, 81 plus 1, 82 to the power 3 over 2 minus, when we substitute 0, 1 to the power 3 over 2. This is the final answer. If you want to write it as pi over 9, 82, 82 and 83. 3 over 2 minus 1. This is the final answer. Okay, to make the video not that much long, now we have again y-axis. Oh my God, y-axis, and here we have x. So here is the opposite. Where is it? This was x-axis and this y, and now we have y-axis, so this should be y. Substitute 1 here, substitute 2 here, very fast, because we did this before. Substitute 1 here, 4 minus 1, root of 3, 2 root of 3. Substitute 2 here, 2 root of 2. So it's fine, but it's not correct at all. So we'll substitute 1 root of 3, we'll substitute 2 root of 2. It's unlogical, since the value of this will be root of 3 greater than root of 2. So logically, we will start with 2 root of 2 and y and 2 root of 3. So same things, the integration from here to here, it's the negative integration from here to here, but it's still fine, since we find surface area from here to here or from here to here would give me the same answer. Okay, now I have y equal something with x, and here I have y. Correct? Definitely no. This should be f of x, and since it's y-axis, until I need to change this one to be y over 2 equal the root of, oh, let me make it down. Weird the question, this question, but it's fine. Okay, this will be here, maybe. Y equal to the root of 4 minus x. Y over 2 equal the root of 4 minus x. Y square over 4 equal 4 minus x. X equal, I put here, 4 minus y square over 4. 2 root of 2 y, 2 root of 3. Now we have a function can be revolving about y-axis. Surface area about y-axis, I will write it, no need for that, but I will write it. 2 pi, and here f of y, and here under the root 1 plus f prime of y square dy. Okay, x prime or f of y prime will be the derivative here 0, the derivative here will be minus 2y. Let me write that. X prime. One more time, 0. This will be minus 2 divided 4, which means minus y over 2. X prime square will be y over 4 square, sorry. Plus 1 plus 1. So I will come back here and will write my integration. It's from 2 root of 2 and 2 root of 3. 2 by, if we got negative here, but you know, we change these. Maybe we will get negative answer now. I don't know what will happen. F of y, the function, the new function, that's the old one, 4 minus y to the power 2 over 4. And here we have under the root 1 plus y to the power 2 over 4 dy. Very weird question. 2 by the integration from 2 root of 2 to root of 3, 4 minus y to the power 2 divided 4, the root of 1 plus y square over 4 dy. We should use the substitution method, I think. This is a plus, it's not minus. So u equal 1 plus y to the power 2 over 4. Du over dy equal the derivative will be y over 2. So we need to find dy. Du over y and 2 here equal, multiply this 2, multiply this y, divide on y, dy. 2 pi 2 root of 2 to the root of 3, 4 minus y squared over 4, the root of u, 2 du over y. Multiply y here will be 4 over y minus y over 4. The integration from 2 root of 2 to root of 3, 2 by u. We know that the value of y, we can write it per u minus 1 equal y to the power 2 multiplied by 4 here, y equal under the root or 2 the root of u minus 1. We need more space here. I think it's a weird question, but it's fine since we can solve it. And if it's hard, so now we have 2 by the integration from 2 root of 2 to root of 3. 4 divide this amount, 2 root of u minus 1 minus 2 root of u minus 1 divide 4 multiply by root of u du. 2 by the integration 2 root of 2 to root of 3. Multiply this here will be 4 root of u divide 4 with 2. This will be 2 up. So 2 outside. And here we have 1 root of u, and here root of u minus 1. Minus 2 will be down, and the root of u and u minus 1 here. We should complete this, or to avoid that, we can only here, to save the time, write this one in the calculator. To by the integration from 2 root of 2 to root of 3, then open brackets 4 minus 6 square divided by 4, close the brackets, open a new brackets, then under the root 1 plus square divided 4 close the brackets. I think until the calculator need time to do this integration, but the final answer will be 11.207. Okay, from here maybe we can save your time and say 11.207. Okay, that was everything regarding service area. See you next lecture with work, inshallah.